Hello, I am Dr. Nidhi Gupta, Assistant Professor in English, Government GNA PG College, Bhatapara. Today I am going to tell you about autobiography, which is in the syllabus of the class BA Part 3, subject English Literature, Paper 1, Indian Writing in English. Autobiography. The word autobiography has been derived from the Greek autos bios graphe, that means self, life, to write. Thus, an autobiography is a self-written account of the author's life. The word autobiography was first used ironically by William Taylor in 1797 in the English periodical The Monthly Review. The word autobiography was used in its present sense by Robert Southey in 1809. Autobiography takes stock of the life of the autobiographer from the moment of composition. Autobiography. It is different from a memoir, as a memoir is a record of the particular event of the author's life, while an autobiography deals with almost all the events of the author's life. Autobiography tells the full record of author's life, including his family life, relationship, education, travels, struggles, etc. A memoir focuses less on self and more on others, while autobiography focuses more on self. Functions of autobiography. Autobiography lets the readers know about the author's life. Autobiography provides an insight into others' consciousness. The autobiography may amuse as well as instruct the readers. An autobiography provides more knowledge than few novels. As an autobiography deals with the autobiographer's time period, it becomes an important document of contemporary events. Autobiography reflects past and shapes present. Thereby, it bridges the gulf between the past and the present. Characteristics of an autobiography. Autobiography is infused with emotions and feelings of author. Autobiographies are generally written by famous persons. Some autobiographies are written in the form of a fictional tale, that is, novels or stories that reflect on the events of the author's life. Autobiography is based on autobiographer's memory. Autobiography is generally written from first person point of view, that is I, me, my, mine. As the autobiography covers entire life of autobiographers, it is of book length. An autobiography is never complete, as it is always written before the death of the autobiographer. So some aspects after the writing of autobiography remain untouched. In the words of Longfellow, autobiography is the product of first-hand experience. Autobiography arranges the events in chronological order, that is, the order in which the events take place in the life of author. Types of autobiography. There are broadly four types of autobiographies: thematic, religious, intellectual, fictionalized. We can categorize them according to their theme, according to their material. Examples of autobiography in literature. The Box, Tales from the Dark Room by Gunter Grass. In this autobiography, The Nobel laureate and novelist Gunter Grass shares the thinking of his children about himself as their father and writer. The Story of My Life by Helen Keller. Keller's autobiography deals with the problems she faced after getting deaf and blind and how she overcame her difficulties. Self Portraits Fictions by Frederick Tutain. This autobiography of Tutain is a combination of the fringes of his romantic life and reality. My Prizes by Thomas Bernhard. Thomas Bernhard presents the accounts of his life by presenting a sarcastic commentary. Apologia Pro Vita Sua by Cardinal Newman. This is very important book of Cardinal Newman which was published in 1864. Time Pass by Protima Bedi. It is very good autobiography of Protima Bedi, who is the wife of famous Indian film actor Kabir Bedi. My Story by Kamla Das. In this autobiography, Kamla Das recounts the trials of her marriage and her painful self-awakening as a woman and writer. Confessions by Jean-Jacques Rousseau. This autobiography of Rousseau covers first 53 years of his life up to 1765. It contains many confessions of his life. The autobiography of Benjamin Franklin by Benjamin Franklin. This autobiography of Benjamin Franklin contains the life history of Franklin. Franklin is one of America's founding fathers, and it tells how he raised from a lower middle class person to a successful person. Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela tells in this book how he became successful, how he grows up into a freedom fighter. It is an in-depth analysis of his struggles. The Story of My Experiments with Truth by Mahatma Gandhi. This autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi presents the frank detail of his life, historical and political incidents, and his philosophy of life. Agatha Christie, an autobiography by Agatha Christie. Agatha Christie, an English writer known for her 66 detective novels, reveals all aspects of her life in her autobiography. Open, an autobiography by Andre Agassi. Andre Agassi, the famous tennis player, shares his story of becoming famous and successful in life. Autobiography by Mark Twain. The autobiography of Mark Twain is very popular autobiography of the American author Mark Twain. It presents a rambling collection of his life's events. Mein Kampf by Adolf Hitler. Mein Kampf is a German phrase meaning my struggle. This book depicts his childhood, early aspirations, his conflict with his father, his to rise to a higher position in the politics. Dreams from My Father by Barack Obama. This autobiography of Barack Obama is the rendition of his struggles, racism he faced. In the modern time, autobiographies claim the attention of host of authors as they are based on objective evidence or memory. Roy Pascal, in the book Design and Truth, in the autobiography, states memory can be trusted because Autobiography is not just reconstruction of the past but interpretation. The significant thing is what the man can remember of his past. It is the judgment of the past within the framework of the present. Thus, autobiography has become an increasingly popular literacy and it is a very important literary genre in the 21st century. A number of persons, authors are trying their hand in autobiography in the 21st century. These are the web sources which I have used. Now I would like to tell you certain questions which are very important from examination point of view. First, what is an autobiography? Write two examples. Second, what are the characteristics of autobiography? Third, how is an autobiography different from a memoir? Fourth, what are the functions of autobiographies? Such type of questions may be asked. Thank you.